Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 2 Hale Street, Unit 2 in Worcester. And it is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 2nd floor. Now I just want to start out by showing you what it looks like when you come in through here. So front of the apartment, you got a nice huge lot with a private driveway for the apartment, or for the building. The apartment building, and here's the front door. So you come in, you get greeted with these nice floors and finishes all around with the new paint. Very nice sized parlor room. So you get parlor room 1 and parlor room 2, and they kind of open up into expansion kind of here. And so you can see the huge living room. You got 2 bedrooms over there, bedroom on the right and left, and then that leads into the kitchen. Over here is just a small closet for utility pipes to be accessed and to go through. And then another storage closet for the living room is right on the right of that bedroom. But this is me backed up all the way in the corner. So as you can see, clearly it's a lot of room for furniture, big sectionals, entertainment system, anything that you could think of. You come over here, mysterious light switch does not turn on living room light, it turns on the closet. So huge space for the closet right there. And here's one of the first bedrooms. So definitely big enough for a queen size bed, and then maybe if you want to have a desk with a computer or a bureau to put a TV or anything like that. And that's bedroom number 1. Let's go check out bedroom number 2. Here's the gas parlor heater. Bedroom number 2 is here. A little bit bigger in bedroom, a little bit bigger in bedroom number 2. You have a little bit of a wider space here, and I believe the closet's a little bit bigger. And once we're done here in the living room, we'll go check out the kitchen/dining area. So you walk through these doors. Immediately you kind of see where you come into. So I'm going to back up into the corner and just show you around a little bit. So that's the built-in storage with the house. Over here you have these floors, really nice vinyl work done on floors. Down there is the Galley Kitchen, so you got the stainless steel sink along with the granite countertops and all of those cabinets. Bathroom is right there along with kitchen and stove, and I believe it's gas, 4-burner gas stove. You can check out the bathroom right here. Large space in the bathroom and very nice finishes all across. Everything in here looks super clean. Won't ever really feel too cramped in that bathroom. And then right here is a large open space. Definitely big enough for a large dining table. So I believe this to be taken as partially a dining room, because you've got a lot of room to work with right there. And like I said, here's the Galley Kitchen here. So dishwasher in the granite. And yeah, this has been 2 Hale Street, Unit 2, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom on the 2nd floor in Worcester. Please go to nexuswor.com for a full list of our vacancies, and you can contact us on any of them. And once again, this has been Nicholas from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.